This is a diesel injection pump, which is have a bulb that turns on. This it delivers on the fuel nozzle. It activates the this. This is a piston, have a groove. The piston boss pin, the snap ring, the thrust side. If we install the piston ring, we need them wag dito sa thrust side. Dapat yung pag-install ng ring is dapat hindi naka-align yung clearance niya. Kasi para sa good hindi niya maka-compress yung air and fuel. Kung ito kasi itong curve na to para to sa good turbulence of air and fuel mixtures. Connecting rod. Kung makikita ninyo, naka-I-beam siya. Ito isa rin itong type ng fuel distributor ng diesel engine. Kaya lang, hindi ko pa alam yung mga parts na ito, pero pag-aaralan ko, panag-aaral na ako. Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4.